Good morning and welcome to On Safety. Today we're going to talk about unsafe acts, unsafe conditions, near misses and accidents. It's very easy to get confused between unsafe conditions and near miss. So what we're hoping to do today is just clarify some of these terms. So a couple of definitions first. A near miss is an unplanned event where no injury, illness or property damage occurs, but a small change in timing or position could have resulted in harm. A simple summary would be a near miss is equal to an accident that almost happened. But equally, an unsafe condition is a hazardous physical state of the workplace, equipment, environment or materials that has a potential to cause an accident or injury if not corrected. So to summarise that, an unsafe condition would be equal to a physical hazard that increases the chance of an incident. And this is how they differ. So near miss, what does that mean? That is an event that almost caused harm. And the key characteristic of that is something actually happened, but the harm was avoided. Whereas an unsafe condition, that means a hazardous physical state that could cause harm. So the hazard does exist, but there's been no event. An event hasn't occurred yet. So to put the differences into perspective, I've got a visual example here. So an unsafe condition, let's look at this machine here. An unsafe condition of the machine is a workplace condition associated with the plant, the process and infrastructure that is likely to cause harm. So in this case, we can see a lockout tagout procedure that's been incorrectly applied. So, we can see a tag here, but there's been no actual lockout on the system. An unsafe act is the unsafe behaviours whilst performing a task that may cause harm. So in this example, using the engineer again, the engineer notices that the lockout tagout procedure has not been applied, the equipment is not isolated appropriately, but decides to take no action.